Good evening, Andy. Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and welcome to one more very beautiful live session on ultra light keto diet jewelry. And me andarki first of all, thank you so much and wishing a lovely Navratri to all of you. Navratri is the festival wherein we actually do puja for all the Shakti. So all our ladies customers, you are the Durga Shakti, you are Lakshmi Devi, you are Annapurna Devi, and you are Saraswati. So thank you all of you for making this world beautiful. And ee roju meeku andarki super class collection andi, beautiful jewelry for the Dashera season. We have ample of stocks this time, but ample of stocks kuda, you know, they just fly off. So before they fly, just ping us, please book it. Many times people call me, what is the wastage, what is the pricing. See, one thing I want to make it very clear is, as the weight goes down, the wastage goes up a little bit. So it will be 2-3% costlier, but it is very competitive in pricing, that I can assure you. And we always give a 100% buyback guarantee if you are not satisfied with the product or the price, right? So we'll start off today's session with our lovely variety which we have launched. So here we have for you something very beautiful. So this, when you put it on the neck, super class గా ఉంటుందండి. ముత్యాలతోటి 20 grams నెట్ వెయిట్ లో మొత్తం నెక్లెస్ ఉంది. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. టాప్స్ విడిగా ఉన్నాయి దానికి. సో జస్ట్ క్యాచ్ అప్, కాలర్స్, దే లుక్ సూపర్ క్లాస్. అండ్ from our team now we will have Jyoti who will put it on and show how it looks also. By the time she puts on, I will show you the other stuff also. So just one by one you can see these. Idi kuda very lightweight andi. We have done this just in 29 grams and it is so grand. So meer chudochu, it is very grand. And same concept, we have one more. So we have 3 new launches this time for the Dashera season. Now you can see how beautifully it looks filled up. Length kuda బాగానే ఉంది. సో మీరు చూస్తే మొత్తం fill up అయిపోతుంది. So work also is a copy of the kundan, as you can see, and mutyal toti very beautifully done. So all these things used to come very heavy. Now we have pulled down the weights, so they are in the very affordable. You can see one more in that style, and I will just put this also on the neck for you to understand. This is again very grand, Andy. Can you see the grandeur of the item? It is so grand, very beautifully done, very nicely crafted. And side we have the beryl beads. All pearls are real what we are using. So very beautiful. And then we have one more. So I'll just run you through so that you can try some more. This is our evergreen Magari pendant. And again, this is a new launch. Very lightweight, 13 grams. So please start pinging on for this piece. Jyoti, can you show this also? So you can just see this. Very grand and in 13 grams. So I'm sure this will sell off within next half an hour as soon as I keep the phone down. And don't shout at me if it is not available. It takes 25 days to 30 days to make it again. So very beautifully done. Most of the designs are inspired from the Pachi or the Kundan collection. మీ దగ్గర కూడా ఉంటే you can send us. We can try those items what you want us to replicate to perfection. And then we have a very nice Ram Darbar necklace. Very lightweight again. Jyoti, what is the weight of this? Just can you check out?
26 net with tops.
So 26 grams with the tops. So with the tops it is 26 andi, not just the necklace. So very lightweight. Then we have these 3 ultra light necklaces, as you can see, again very light. These are the choker sets which are a hit, super duper. Again very light in the Lakshmi Devi plus the green stone. What is the weight of this one? Again new launch.
22 grams.
22 with the tops. Again Ram Darbar, Lakshmi Devi. So again our tradition is back. So very beautifully done, right? I'll take you around to Kantis. This is our evergreen. We have sold n number of pieces. Very beautiful kanti. This is a new launch in the kanti. And this weight is how much?
29 grams.
29. Can you put it on the neck once, Jyoti? So 29 grams andi. And మీరు చూడొచ్చు ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ డన్. సో అవర్ హోల్ ఫోకస్ ఇస్ టు గివ్ మోర్ ఇన్ లెస్. అండ్ యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, కంసాలు ఏంటంటే హీ వాంట్స్ ద వెయిట్ టు గో అప్ బికాస్ హీ గెట్స్ మోర్ తరుగు. వీ వాంట్ టు బ్రింగ్ డౌన్ ద వెయిట్ బికాస్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ మోర్ అఫోర్డబుల్. అండ్ అక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆయన 1-2% ఎక్కువ ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారండి. సో ఆల్ దీస్ కంటీస్ అగైన్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ. So this is the whole of the kanti collection. Again very nice kanti with the kasulu. And then this is our evergreen Navaratna Gutta Pusalu. And then we have the chokers, all the lightweight, 2-in-1. You can use it as a choker, you can use it as a baju band. So all these are very very light, like 5 grams to 10 grams madhyalo unnai.
12 grams.
Yeah, some are 6 to 12. And then we have the malas. We have it in ruby, we have it in emerald. And these are all seized stones andi. We are not using the real ones. కానీ మీకు కావాలంటే చేయొచ్చు. This is our chatai set, as you can see. Very hit. Can you just put this on the neck, Jyoti? So again very hit one అండి. మీరు చూడండి ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా కూర్చుంటుంది నెక్లో. So very beautifully done. Can you show this also? Even this one is a hit. వేసుకుంటే బాగా అందం ఉండి అండ్ తీసుకుంటే ధర తక్కువ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఐటమ్ అండి. ఆల్ గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ 22 క్యారెట్ హాల్ మార్క్. దర్ ఈస్ నో కాంప్రమైజ్ ఆన్ ద గోల్డ్ క్వాలిటీ. ఆల్ ద స్టోన్ weight is deducted religiously. We are too honest at that. We can assure you about our honesty. And very beautiful. These are our evergreen hits again, very lightweight. People always complain to me, Praveen bhai, we are having less of stocks. I tell people decide soon. Now this is very nice again. Rendu side pieces unnai plus floral design. Again a super hit andi. And we thank all our customers for their lovely support. Andaru baga support istunnaru. So maaku inka etla kotta designs cheyala, inka stocks penchala. This is all because of your support andi. So you can see all this. And these are again chokers. Can you wear the choker and show one piece wearing it, please? Okay, Jyoti, can you try one choker till then? Or just itla petti chupettu. Ikkada chudochandi choker. So Rashmi wanted me to show the choker on the neck. Anybody has specific things to tell me, please you can type down. Whatever request I can take, I will surely do it. Please mention the weight. Weight is very light andi. How much is the weight, Jyoti?
7 grams.
Choker is 7 grams andi. So this is again a very hit. You can see this, the green one with the guttulu. Super andi and very lightweight. So it's not just about the weight and the price. I always feel creativity is there. We are open on Saturday, Nikhila. Most welcome. We are open on Saturdays. And we are at Abbott Road, Hyderabad, opposite to Santosh Sapna Theatre. Navaratna necklace petti చూపెట్టండి. కిరణ్మయ్య గారు ఏ నవరత్న నెక్లెస్? అచ్చా కొంచెం ఒకసారి చూపెట్టమ్మా. సో గుట్టపూసలు అగైన్ సూపర్ హిట్. This one is the Navaratna. Kiranmay wanted me to show this on the neck. So you can see this. Chandbali Bonanza. This is again a hot seller. So you can see all these. And this is again a new one. Can you just try this? This is a new launch. వేసుకున్నాక బాగుంటుంది. Yeah. Lightweight red flowers necklace. Wait and show it on her neck. Okay, we will do that. Santi wants me to show that. Okay, so the red one. Can you just put that on the neck? Lightweight red flowers necklace. Acha, red flowers necklace. Santi, you want me to show this or this? Yes. Just try this. Red flower necklace. And these are the Guttapusalu evergreen super hit. This is again a choker which always sells very fast. This is again in demand. Again a floral necklace. So Shanti wanted me to show this, so it's there for you, Shanti. Are the chokers KDM or non-KDM? Everything is 916 hallmarked. Now these are the nail pendants we have tried for the first time. Kani nails ledidandi. We have just used the mother of pearl style. So all these are very light we have done. Nail lagunnai kani nail ledu actually ga. So these are like 4 grams like that we have done. Big size vachesi 4 grams lo. Chandbalis, and you can see the tops, the Mahanati tops. Impressed with your collection which are affordable. Thank you so much. All your comments make us work harder and better. Soon we will be giving 2 dedicated phone lines for your inquiries, because మాకు దాదాపు ఒక 300-400 ఎంక్వైరీస్ పర్ డే వస్తాయండి వీడియో చేసినాక. Weight necklace of the lightweight red one. Jyoti, how much is the red one?
5.76.
5.76 is the red one. And Marepalli asked me the nail pendant weight. It is 5.5 grams net weight. Please go one by one, sir. Yeah, Srilata, we are going one by one. కానీ 1 by 1 నేను వెళ్తే దాదాపు 45 minutes వీడియో అయిపోతుంది. అందరు నాకు తిట్టున్నారు మళ్ళీ. ఈవినింగ్లో వంటను చేయాలి కదా ఇంట్లో. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ లేడీస్ టు షౌట్ ఎట్ మీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ న్యూ లేటెస్ట్ వన్. Jyoti is wearing it. We will show you. And this is our Jada, which is in super demand. కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మహానటి టాప్స్ గీతా గారు అన్నీ వేరే వేరే ఉన్నాయి. మీకు దాదాపు ఒక 25,000 నుంచి 40,000 వరకు ఉన్నాయి అన్నీ. See, when we remove the stone weight totally, stones cost పడతాయండి, తరుగు పడుతుంది. So that is the whole key. Please tell weight of the ear studs. Rashmi, అన్నీ వేరే ఉన్నాయి. This is around 4 grams net. I'll just show you the feel also. So all are different weights, and this one is a new one. This is a new launch, you can see that. So very different. Okay, thank you so much. Gutta Pusalu, can you show? Amulya wants to see Gutta Pusalu on the neck. Can you do that, Jyoti? Just eskoni neck lo chupette. Amulya, this is how it looks on the neck. So you can see that, and it is around what weight?
23 grams.
23 grams. So we have lot of comments coming. Srilata says, wow, gorgeous. Thank you, Srilata. This is again a Champasralu, which is a super hit. Weight of that earrings and back chain separately, please. We do not have separate weights at hand. Kani total weight enta undi, Jyoti? So these are all the
23
Chandbalis.
grams.
So it is 23 together. When you see Asha ji, it is 23 together. Small red Kempul flowers, lightweight necklace weight, please.
Detachable also.
So this one is detachable. Asha, this is detachable, what you liked. So you can wear only the tops and you can wear it together also. So life needs more options. Small red Kempul flowers, lightweight necklace weight, please. Which one I need to check out? So these are the long danglings. Rate of the chokers. Chokers are all different. They are from 6 grams onwards. So around 45,000 to 60,000. Manisha, plain gold jhumkis we have on our ground floor. We have 2 floors. We are doing the show on the first floor. So kinda unnayandi, but I don't have it at hand. So this is the collection. I will run you through again. This is our super hit new edition. As you can see that 1, 2, 3, and then Magari, and then super hit again, and then we have all these. Then we have chokers, we have light necklaces. So All super, very nice collection. Thank you Kavya, thank you so much. సో మీరు చూడొచ్చండి, బాజుబంద్ చోకర్స్ కూడా అదే రేంజ్లో వస్తాయా సార్? ఉన్నాయి కదా విద్య, ఇవి అన్నీ ఆ రేంజ్లోనే ఉన్నాయి బాజుబంద్ చోకర్స్. ప్లస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ లిటిల్ హెవియర్ వెయిట్ ఆల్సో, 15-20 గ్రామ్స్లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఎమరల్డ్ నెక్లెస్ ఆన్ టాప్ ప్లీజ్. ఎమరల్డ్ నెక్లెస్ విచ్ వన్? Please take pictures what you are liking, because many time I miss the flow. Price for the first pearl mala. So this is 21 grams. So 25s are 100. The necklace is around 135, 140. Depends like, and then the tops vidiga. Can she wear long balls chain? Long ball chain, this one. This is with pearls and it's not a ball chain. Jyoti, can you wear this? This is again our very hit. So you can see that ఈ pearls కొంచెం turn ఇక్కడ correct. Nice. Now you can see that. Nice collections. Thank you Vidya, thank you so much. So these are all the things that are there, which is the new launch. And as you can see, we have at present lot of stocks we are into. We are flooded with lot of things, as you can see. Get ready for your Dasera purchases. Gold rate also after stopping is trying to move up. So thank you so much Andy for being there in large numbers. And I am Praveen Kumar. My phone number is 90303030. Whatever you like, kindly send me the messages. We will send you the details of the pricing. And one thing we will assure you is we cannot give too many details on the phone, as we get so many inquiries, right? But we give you our trust for it. Meeku nachakapothe no question is asked Andy. Take my word, we don't ask a question. Within 48 hours you take a decision and you return it to us, and we will give you 100% money back. But you have to decide it within 2 days. Don't let other people decide your mind. Go for your purchases. Dasera season is on. Gold after going down is started to go up again for this season. So right time, right weight, right purchase with the right store and right people only. Most important. 22 karat gold hallmark. So do a happy festival buying, and we are there with some surprise when you come here and shop. So happy shopping. Thank you so much. Okay. You can just till then see the videos again, the things till we load it.